goes out to the families. Like म्हाका दिसता 5 families, it's not about individuals, 5 families दिसता म्हाका totally destroyed म्हणटा कशें. आनी I really feel really very very sad about what has happened, and it shouldn't have happened.
Don't you think so? Everything, whatever investigation should be in a fair and manner, because काल लोक तेंचो दिवाळीचे गेलो कित्याक स्पेक्युलेशन्स बोलतोच गॅरेज जाला हें जाला तें जाला म्हणटा.
I feel it has to be a very fair investigation, आणि whatever has happened, I feel every person should have their responsibility. We all should have a social responsibility. If something has happened, I mean, you have gone, suppose I was in that place, suppose I had done it and it has happened with me, I would have, like, I'm talking personally from my point of view, I would have gone and surrendered myself, and I would have said, yes, I'm really really sorry for what has happened, and it has happened because of me and because of whatever, maybe under the influence of alcohol, or sometimes you just lose control of a car, sometimes you don't know, so many things happen, but whatever it is, if it has happened because of you are the reason of what has happened, and police are doing the investigations. I think every person should come forward and accept it, that I'm sorry that it has happened, but like, you know, when this happened, I was not in Goa, आणि खूप वाईट दिसलें आयकून अशें. आणि my daughter was with me. First question she asked me was, Mama, I told her first before she said, I said, remember this, I said, if you were behind that wheel and it had happened, and suppose you had gone and done something like this, I said, I would have taken you to the police myself. And she said, you know, I just wanted to hear this from you, whether you would do it or you wouldn't. I said, yes, just because you are so and so, that doesn't give you the right to do what you have to. You know, life is not cheap.
मॅडम, अनेक म्हणजे आता चडशे गोंयान पळयत जाल्यार आता ह्या दिसांनी बायलां सुद्धा ड्रिंक करून गाडी बी चलयता.
ते personal, that is something personal, that's somebody's personal life. You can drink, smoke, everybody is free to do what they want, but not at the cost of somebody's life.